Question 72, what is the greatest of God's works?
Because God has done many great works, but with reference to us human beings, it is that the Eternal Father sent his Son who took on our human nature. That is, that the Son of God became man. That's the greatest thing God has done for us.
Now, the incarnation, that feast is really celebrated as a feast of the Annunciation, right? When Our Lady said yes.
Yes, that is the feast, because the Archangel Gabriel brought God's proposal to the Blessed Virgin Mary, that God wanted her to be the mother of the Son of God who would take on human nature. And Mary accepted. Mary consented. And at that moment when she said, "Be it done to me according to your word," at that moment, the Son of God, remaining always God, became a human being also, was conceived in her womb. That is what we call the incarnation.
Because many people think that's the Immaculate Conception, you know. Immaculate Conception.
Yes, it is not. Right. Immaculate Conception refers only to the Blessed Virgin Mary. Yes. That when her own mother, Anna, yes, Saint Anna, conceived her, Mary was without original sin. Right. That's Immaculate Conception. Right. Incarnation refers to the Son of God, conceived by Mary Immaculate, conceived by Mary. That's the celebration we keep on March 25. Yes. So that Christmas is just 9 months after that, when Christ was actually born in Bethlehem.